Hi, welcome and welcome back. We are going to be making red bell pepper hummus today. In a pan, I'm going to put a dash of olive oil in my pan. I'm going to be coating this all over the pan and I'll be placing my bell peppers in. You can use the regular big peppers or whichever you like. I'm going to be pan roasting this, turning it over until they all look evenly roasted, and I'll place them in a bowl. Moving on, in my blender, I'm going to be adding my homemade tahini. I'll share that recipe in the description box below as well. Lemon juice, cumin, garlic, salt, olive oil, chickpea, and the red bell pepper. We are going to be blending all this together into a very nice, smooth consistency. So now I'm going to be taking out the seed of the bell pepper that we've already roasted. You can choose to leave the seed in. That is totally optional. So I'm just going to blend this until it looks smooth like this, and I garnish it with some extra bell pepper. You can enjoy this with your crackers. You can use it as a spread for sandwiches. You can also just dip in other vegetables like carrot or cucumber, whichever vegetable that you prefer using it with. This recipe has a lot of options for use, so get creative, and it is very easy and quick to make, and they look amazing and delicious too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.